Welcome to video 12.6c, volume of a composite solid, or in this case I'm going to call it a half silo, a little bit of vocabulary roots. That's from the Greek word syros, which means pit for holding grain. So this is example 3, find the volume of the solid shown. So this is a cylinder with a hemisphere on top. So notice what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop the silo in half. Now when I chop the silo in half, I'm chopping the cylinder in half and the hemisphere in half. So instead of getting a half sphere, I'll end up with a quarter of a sphere. All right, and maybe this would be used if they had a divider, one part for grain, one part for barley or something like that. All right, so I'm just going to break it down. So the volume of a half cylinder plus the volume of a half of a hemisphere. All right, so I'll write down the formulas. So a cylinder is base times height. So I got a half of that. 1/2 base times height plus the volume of half of a hemisphere. So 1/2 of 1/2 of 4/3 pi r cubed. And then I'm just going to, for the cylinder, again the base is a circle, that's pi r squared. So it'll be 1/2 of pi r squared h plus, I'll do some simplification here. The 2 and the 2 here cancel with the 4. So that makes my computations a little bit easier. So it'll be plus pi r cubed. All right, let's put the numbers in now. So it'll be 1/2 pi, the radius is 6 as shown, 6 squared. The height of the cylinder is 10, plus pi. The radius of the hemisphere is going to be the same as the radius of the cylinder if it fits directly on top. So it'll be plus pi times 6 cubed. Again, that's 6 and that's 6. All right, so this is going to be 36 divided by 2, 18 times 10, so 180 pi. Plus 6 cubed, after a while you memorize it, 216, plus 216 pi. And I'm just going to add these together. So 80 to that is 96, so 396 pi. No units were given. So again, leave your answer in exact simplified form. And there you have it. How to find the volume of a composite solid, or in this case, a half silo.